So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to keep your proper body measurement. Hello everyone! Hi! So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to take your proper body measurement. So as event hostesses, you'll be asked from time to time to send in your statistics. What is your body size? What is your height? And I get a lot of people asking, how do I know my body size? How do I know my height? How can I get my statistics? Not to worry, in this video, I'll be teaching you all that. All you need is a plain background or a background or a wall where you can mark your height, your measuring tape. I actually made a video like this before with this construction kind of tape. Yeah, but somebody requested I make it with this simple measuring tape. This is just the ordinary tailor measuring tape, very easy to find. And then a marker. Yes, you have to get something. I'm just using my eyebrow pencil. Here is almost exhausted, but you can use anything, actually anything. So the first thing is make sure you are on barefoot. You are on barefoot. Yes. And you're standing on the floor with your back against the wall, like so. So this you can do without the help of anybody whatsoever. So first, we'll get our height. So when you stand this way, not on tiptoe, directly on the wall, mark where your head stops on the wall. Just a little bit of mark. Can you see this? I don't know if you can see this very clearly, but this is my own mark. So from that point, you take the measurement to the ground. So this tape is actually by 60. This is 60 inches. So what I like to do is I take it to the ground. Where it gets to 60, stop. You can either mark the point or continue. From that same point, mark the rest to the ground. So I have 68 inches. What I like to do is go to Google and convert 68 inches to feet inches, because what we use for ushering jobs is our height in feet inches. So I have 68. I'll just go and type convert 68 inches to feet inches and see what Google gives me. Next, we'll be finding out our body statistics or our body measurements. When they ask for your statistics, the four most important things they're asking for is your bust measurement, your round bust measurement, your waist measurement, and your hip measurement. These measurements allows them know your exact body size. Most times they just ask you, what is your body size? Oh, and you're like, I'm a size 6, I'm a size 8, or I'm a size 10. And you don't know how to find out all these things. Here, let me show you. So the first one is take your round bust measurement. Just around like so. Make sure it crosses over on top of your nipple. Please do this without a bra so you can get your exact measurement. Mine here is 38. So my bust is 38. Then your waist is usually around your navel area. So where your navel is, there. That's the slimmest part of your upper body. This part is your waist. So just put the tape around that part. Mine is 30, so my waist is 30. Then your hip is usually the biggest part of your lower body area. You put the tape around like so. And you take this measurement. This is exactly how tailors will do it. You take the measurement down, making sure it goes through and comes back up easily. And mine is 41. So my bust is 38, my waist is 30, and my hips is 41. So with this measurement now, you can easily say I am a size 10. I am a size 10. Very easy. So take your bust, waist, and hip measurements. That is your statistics. And then when they ask you what your size is, you just look it up and know what your size is, the size 8 or size 10. I hope that was very, very easy. I hope it was easily understandable. If you have any more questions, anything at all, kindly drop it in my comment section. I still remain Lovina Emmanuel, a simple Nigerian event hostess, event coordinator, and event planner in training. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.